Hello everybody, today we are going to make some chips, sweet chips, and the main ingredient today is going to be sweet potato. Here in Mexico they call it camote, and we have two types, this one and the yellow one. So we are going to see which one are sweeter, if this one, the purple, or the yellow sweet potato. And one thing super cool about this kind of stuff is like they are relatives to the potato, and all the sugar is inside this thing. Well, that's it. See you in a minute. Bye bye. Oh, yummy, yummy. Okay, I already finished. As you can see, some of them I leave it with the skin, and some other ones I don't leave it with the skin. So see what is there any difference with flavor. And now we're going to the microwave. Yes, to the microwave. Okay, so we have laid some sweet potato in this plate, and we put it on the microwave, and we're going to go for full power for about 3 minutes. Yes, that's me. Hi. 3 minutes. And that's it. Let's see what happens. Hi there. Oh, cool. Bye bye. Let's see how it's done. Okay, very good. They look good, but I think I'm going to put it 1 more minute because I want it to be like a little bit more brown. So I'm going to give it 1 more minute. One more minute, and we're going to start. Okay. So let's back in 1 minute. Okay. Let's see our final product. Oh, looks good. Looks good. Look, a little brown, and they are very sweet. Okay, let's. Okay, they look good. Let's cool them down and test them. Okay, I'm going to put them to cool down. Thank you. Okay, the moment of truth. I'm here with my trustfully guinea pig. Oh, they are crispy. Crispy, they are crispy. How are they? Not very good. Okay. Try the other one. Try this one that is a little bit browner. That one, yes.
Bueno, no es mi tipo de comida, pero quedaron bien.
Okay, well, thank you. Tell you something, guys. I think they're excellent. I'm going to try this one. You know what? They are good. You're expecting like a French fry or something, like Sabritas. They will not, but they are sweet. They are not. Yes, they are sweet. No, they are a little bit sweet. Awesome. Well, have a good snack. Oh my God, I got to get someone. Bye bye. Those are mine. Those are mine.